This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, so you get the videos. I put them out, see what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the data they release us is false, man. It gives a false narrative of the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, according to routers, R-U-T-E-R-S, the money supply is shrinking. It is drying up on levels they haven't seen since the 1930s. And you know what the 1930s were? The middle of the depression that started in 1929 when the market crashed. And those are the numbers we're seeing now. Some people are saying it's because of all the money they printed during COVID. But here's the thing. Bank deposits are going down. They're not making any of those high-risk loans anymore. They're calling in the high-risk loans, and their liquidity is drying up. And that tells me that we're going to see a downtrend in the market very, very soon. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any stock. But these bad actors are between a rock and a hard place, and they have nowhere to turn. As liquidity dries up, what are they going to be forced to do? They're going to be forced to sell their long positions at these discounted rates in order to meet their margin requirements. Because remember, they don't margin like you and I. Well, I don't even margin anymore. I stopped doing that. I stopped doing margin because I am afraid of margin. I stopped doing margin because I'm afraid of margin. I go straight cash account. But here's the thing. They're over leveraged 20, 50, sometimes 100 to 1. So when their stock price drops 5, 10%, they are in trouble. So now that the liquidity is drying up, and we're not just talking about in the stock market, we're talking about in the whole U.S. economy, the liquidity is drying up. And when it does, they'll be forced to sell their long positions at a discount, and then they'll be forced to close their AMC and GME shorts, and we should go to the moon and we should see our attendees. They want us to believe they could do this forever, and because the SEC has refused to do their job, because our regulatory agencies have refused to police the market, that's why we are in the position we're in. And remember, their greed created this great buying opportunity for us. Their greed created the possibility for us to turn thousands into millions. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think the shrinking money supply is because of all the money they printed during COVID, or because these greedy hedgies and market makers and their co-conspirators, their money's drying up because they made billions of counterfeit AMC shares? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.